Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this preppy avatar. First things first, snatch that wig off, we don't need it. Then skin tone, pick whatever skin tone you like. I like the sun-kissed one. Face, don't change the face. Then we're gonna go to brows, pick the first one, and I like to have them black, but you don't have to. We're not gonna change the eyes, keep them how they are, and the nose we're gonna keep it how it is. We will change the lips though. I'm gonna pick these because they're a little fuller than the regular preppy avatars and I like them like that. Now I like to put makeup on while I create the avatar, so we're gonna pick the regular preppy nose cheek blush and we're gonna make it this color. And I'm also gonna put on I call it the try hard preppy scar. You obviously don't have to put it on, but I like it. Eyeliner, we're gonna go with the wing liner. And don't forget about your eyelashes, we need them. Don't make them too big because they just look like spider lashes, so I like these. Now if you want to be a preppy, you obviously need to have the preppy contacts right here, and remember you can color pick to customize the color of your contacts. So usually preppies don't wear lipstick, but we will because of the skin color of our avatar. I do like to have lipstick on. Just don't make it too dark, make sure that it goes with the skin color of your avatar. And now this is the time lapse of me adjusting the facial features. I'm going to be showing you guys all the numbers later. To make it way easier for you so you don't have to click on multiple different links, everything that I'm wearing in this video is saved in my styles on ZEPETO. All you have to do is go to my styles, there's a red background style saved, click on it, put everything on, and everything is going to be on your character. Wow! So I chose this hair, I think it looks really nice. And then for the outfit, this is my shirt by the way. For the outfit I went with something pretty casual. And here are the numbers that you have to copy down in order to get this avatar.
But they always break. Caught in this moment, time stands still. I try to control it, I reach within. You make many promises, but they always break. 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 Caught in this moment, time stands still. I try to control it, I reach within. You make too many promises, but they always break. You make too many promises, but they always break. But they always break. Caught in this moment, time stands still. I try to control it, I reach within. You make many promises, but they always break.
And now you can go back on ZEPETO and slay! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye!